Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best automatic espresso machines, carefully selected through detailed research, comparisons, and practical testing to help you find exactly what you need. Whether you're searching for an affordable option, a premium performer, or a machine with standout features, I've organized this list to match different preferences and lifestyles. These espresso machines are perfect for beginners, casual coffee lovers, and even dedicated enthusiasts who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Be sure to check the description for the latest prices, updated details, and additional recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new reviews and guides. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DeLonghi Espresso Machine. Step into an elevated coffee experience with the DeLonghi Espresso Machine, a device built for anyone who wants the richness of cafe-style drinks right at home. Imagine waking up each morning to the deep, inviting aroma of freshly ground coffee filling your kitchen. With a beautiful, refined design paired with intuitive controls, this machine adds elegance while delivering exceptional performance. Enjoy the convenience of one-touch brewing that allows you to quickly choose espresso, coffee, or Americano with remarkable accuracy. Whether you prefer a strong morning shot or a mellow afternoon drink, the DeLonghi ensures consistent flavor extraction every time. Its manual frother lets you create creamy lattes and velvety cappuccinos, giving you the freedom to experiment with latte art or create your signature drink. Number 2. Additix Espresso Machine. Indulge in the joy of crafting your favorite espresso beverages at home with the Additix Espresso Machine. This machine transforms each cup into a small celebration, whether you're brewing a smooth latte, a creamy cappuccino, or a bold macchiato. Designed to bring a blend of performance and style, it stands out as a compact system that fits comfortably in both home and office settings. The professional 20-bar pressure system ensures optimum flavor extraction. You'll savor every sip as rich aromas and deep flavors fill your cup, giving you an authentic cafe-like experience. With the built-in frother, you can create silky milk foam that enhances your drinks, making them look and taste luxurious. The intelligent temperature control system ensures each brew is perfectly heated, never bitter or burnt. The machine's simple interface invites you to experiment and discover your preferred brewing style. Number 3. Philips Baristina Espresso Machine. Elevate your mornings with the Philips Baristina Espresso Machine, designed to bring rich, flavorful espresso straight into your home with ease and style. The moment you start grinding your beans, the fresh aroma enhances your senses, creating a comforting, cafe-like environment. The Baristina turns the brewing process into a moment to look forward to. With a simple swipe of the handle, you can enjoy barista-level espresso in under a minute. This quick and efficient brewing style makes it perfect for busy mornings or relaxed evenings. Its compact size fits neatly on any countertop without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or office spaces. This machine delivers a smooth crema, balanced flavor, and a bold espresso taste that coffee lovers appreciate. Number 4. Philips Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Upgrade your home coffee routine with the Philips Super Automatic Espresso Machine, designed for those who want cafe-quality drinks with minimal effort. From the moment you turn it on, the aroma of freshly ground beans fills the air, promising a delightful start to your day. With one touch, this advanced machine grinds, measures, tamps, and brews, allowing you to enjoy a perfect espresso without any hassle. The classic milk frother helps you create smooth, rich foam for lattes, flat whites, or cappuccinos, bringing cafe-style beverages straight to your kitchen. Whether you're in the mood for a bold espresso shot or a creamy drink, this machine delivers consistent quality. The AquaClean filter simplifies maintenance, keeping your machine clean and your coffee pure. It allows you to enjoy up to thousands of cups before needing to decayal. Number 5. Bosch Espresso BS 500 Machine. Discover a new level of coffee enjoyment with the Bosch Espresso Machine Model BS 500. Designed with precision and elegance, this machine takes your daily coffee routine to a more refined level. Get ready to start your day with the delightful aroma of espresso, latte macchiato, or cappuccino, all crafted at the touch of a button. Its sleek silver finish brings a modern touch to your kitchen, while the advanced milk frothing system ensures you get perfectly creamy foam for every drink. Whether you prefer a mild brew or a bold cup, the adjustable strength settings allow you to customize your drink to match your mood. The machine is simple to maintain, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your beverages and less time cleaning.